this option of Google Colab, like Google search like Google Colab over here, you can see like welcome to Google. In case if it is first time, there would be some welcome note coming up here. But in case if you already have used it, so I have used it many times, so it would show me my recent notebooks, and even you can save those in your Google Drive. Let me create a new notebook first. You can click on this new notebook which was available towards the corner. I clicked on it. So yeah, it has created a new notebook over here. So this looks exactly same as Jupyter notebook, but the only difference is like that Jupyter notebook is actually from your own PC, but in this case this is just a browser. You don't need anything else. Like there you may need to install Jupyter and other packages of your own. Here you don't have to do anything. Many of the Python packages will come pre-installed and you can use this. So let me and one more advantage with this notebook is you can even run your code in GPU instead of like just a CPU. Maybe in future you may be doing some very high complex code which needs higher computational requirements. So in that case you can run this code in GPU by going to this runtime, change runtime, and it would show you like what to select. There is also a TPU, so you can use that and then run your system. So but there is a limitation for it. Your code needs to run within 12 hours. Like there is a gap. That is like pretty much enough for us. But in case if you are in future, if you want to train in any machine learning model, so that actually needs quite a lot of time. So that 12 hours may be sufficient or may not be. So in that case you need to do some kind of workarounds so that you continue from where you left after the 12 hours and restart again.